So in case you're receiving unwanted notifications on your phone through Chrome, just follow this quick tutorial to resolve your issue. What you will need to do is go into your Chrome browser, then go in settings and look for notifications option. Once you're there, select from websites and just disable your notifications. That will block all the notifications that you've been receiving so far. In case you still want to receive notifications from some websites, let's say news website, you can enable it and just look for what websites you're allowing in your options. So in this case, google.com seems alright, but the second one doesn't make any sense. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just remove it. And there we go. And now I should stop receiving unwanted notifications through Chrome. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys find it useful.